Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcel, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spawning video, I want to talk to you guys or show you guys a fall inspired container. It's finally time for fall. Season of fall is approaching, which means containers are getting ready to be planted with fall seasonal plants. And so here in South Florida, there's a lot of vibrant plants for fall, but I want to stick around with that fall colors because I absolutely love those colors. Those are my favorite colors in the garden. And so I'm going to show you guys a little container I'm going to do with those colors. And so if you want to see every single plant I use and the outcome of everything, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, here's the plant selection I chosen. So here I have a bit of Altarinas, which I absolutely love the color on this. And so I have two of them back here. They're gonna be the Thriller in my container. The two spillers are gonna be these beautiful yellow zinnias I have right here. They're gonna be growing big and then spilling out the sides. And then my filler is gonna be this beautiful white pentas I have right here. And so here, this is usually the fall colors I go for: whites, yellows, pinks, reds, and stuff like that. But once I get mums in hand, I'll definitely film a video on that. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about sun exposure if you ever repeat this container. And meanwhile, I'm saying that I'm gonna be planting them. And so sunlight exposure towards these plants is full sun because each plant prefers to have full sun. I know here in South Florida, we usually go towards that. We usually go towards plants that are full sun because here, there's barely any full shaded areas. And if you do, you are the luckiest person alive if you have an area with shade, because here in South Florida, it's very hard to find that. And so we have to try our best to either cast shade with trees or like just putting shrubs that in front of annuals that require full shade. And so the second thing is, when it comes to watering these plants don't ask for that much. As you can even see that I didn't even put fertilizer in here because these plants don't need fertilizer to thrive in our area. And so when it comes to plants like this, it's very easy to maintain, just very little. The only thing you have to watch out for is diseases. That's it. And then the rest, the rainwater could handle it and stuff like that. And so yeah, another thing is deadheading. Even though I know a lot of gardeners don't like to deadhead at all, they try to go towards flowers or plants or bushes that don't require deadheading. Sometimes it's better to do deadheading because it makes your plant look prettier, and it puts more energy into actual flower growth and leafy growth and stuff like that. And so if you want the best performance from your plants, they're gonna give you the best performance if you also put your part too. So keep that in mind. So just in that little tiny talk, I finished planting every single plant here. So I would recommend water one time every 3 days once they're newly planted like this. And then once they put on the size, you can completely let the rainwater water them if you live in South Florida. If you don't, then water one time every week. And then once these plants get bigger, because I know the Altarinas are shrubs and they will grow bigger, you can always trim back on them and stuff like that. But I know coming the end of season, I'm gonna have to tear apart this container because these are all annuals and the one in front, but the back is perennial, so I will be able to transplant this somewhere else. So that's going to be it for this exciting spawning video, you guys. Let me go ahead and wrap it up. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting spawning video. Hopefully you find this video very educational and informative and a little bit inspirational, because my goal is to help you guys actually learn more about plants and get inspired by my creations like this one and recreate them in your own garden. This is not going to be the only fall container I'm going to do and show you guys, because I have a lot more coming. I have a lot more containers to fulfill. And so yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting spawning video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, guys.